Alright guys, here is your brand new core bite starting with number 46. Make sure you make your changes on your paper. So the first one says, Don plans to make 4 liters of lemonade and 3 liters of tea for a party. Hope it's sweet tea. 1 liter of drink will serve 5 people. How many people can Don serve? Okay, so he is going to make a total of 4 liters of lemonade, 3 liters of tea. So if you take 3 liters plus 4 liters, you get 7 total liters. Every liter can serve 7 people. So if you have 7 liters times 5 people, that gives you a total of 35 people for those sweet drinks. For number 2, find the difference of 4,000 and 2,475. That means they want you to subtract. Difference means to find how much is left, right? So your largest number is 4,000. And then your other number is 2,475. So you're going to have to regroup since you can't take something from nothing. So you're going to keep regrouping until you get all the way to the end. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So your total is 1,525. Multiply and simplify your answer. So what you've got to remember is that you multiply across. And if it's a whole number, you just put a 1 on the bottom. So if you say, okay, 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Then you're going to have to simplify. So you're going to have to divide. 3 will go into 4 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. You're going to have a remainder of 1. So your answer is going to be 1 1/3. That's going to be your answer. Simplified. And then for the angle question, what is the measure of the angle? Well, this right here is right at 90 degrees on this protractor. Anything below that is going to be acute. Anything more than that is going to be obtuse. Anything all the way straight across to 180 is a straight line. So 90 or less, well, clearly it's more than that because it's right here, right? It's a larger angle. So it's not going to be 75. So that means if you look really closely, it's between 100 and 110. So that means the answer is 105. And then here it asks you to use that protractor to give you an idea to try to sketch an acute angle. So like I said, anything acute is going to be less than 90 degrees, which is right there, which would be a right angle. So any kind of acute angle would be anything from about right there over, right? So that is an acute angle. Check your answers.